Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the PI banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. PI Banking is a digital banking app designed to help users manage personal and business finances efficiently. The app provides a variety of features, including account monitoring, fund transfers, bill payments, budgeting tools, and real-time notifications, all in one place. It also supports biometric login, secure encryption, and customizable dashboards for a personalized banking experience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app for its clean interface, fast navigation, and reliable functionality. It allows users to check balances, make payments, and track spending on the go. Many also like the ability to manage multiple accounts, receive instant alerts, and customize dashboards to fit their financial goals. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some features may be limited depending on the user's region or banking plan. Occasional network delays or maintenance issues can affect transactions, and certain advanced banking features may require additional verification or subscriptions. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the PI banking app may be worth using if you want a convenient, secure, and versatile digital banking solution. It excels in usability, real-time notifications, and account management. However, if your banking needs require extensive advanced features or international support, it might not fully meet your requirements. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.